Setting your personal notification preferences in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to control which notifications you receive, how they're delivered, and how to filter approvals to only the ones waiting on you. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Notifications from your dashboard. This page is just for you. It controls which notifications you personally receive and how. It's different from notification rules, where an admin sets up notifications for the whole organization. This one only changes what lands in your inbox or on your phone. Go through the categories, things like low stock alerts, approval requests, or batch completions, and toggle each one on or off based on what you actually want to see. Mute an entire category to silence all its events at once. For each category you keep on, choose your delivery method: push, email, or in-app. If you only want to be notified about approvals waiting specifically on you rather than every approval in the organization, that filter is here too. Save. These preferences apply only to your account, so if a teammate isn't getting notifications they expect, they need to set their own preferences here. This page won't change that for them.